This question here is asking us to find the gradient of this curve here at x equals 4, and then find, so that would be the tangent at x equals 4, and then we're going to find the normal to the tangent. So to start it off, we'd be differentiating this, and then substituting in x equals 4, and then doing a negative reciprocal to find the gradient of the normal, and then we'd be using y minus y1 equals m brackets x minus x1 to find what the equation is, because it's asked us for the equation, not just the gradient. So we're going to start off this question by writing this in a form that we can differentiate it. So it would be y equals 8 minus 3x to the half. And then we'll differentiate it. So as we learnt, 8 will just disappear, and then minus 3 times a half is minus 3 over 2x, and then a half take away 1 would be minus a half. Next we're going to be substituting x equals 4 into this here. So we'd write over 2 times 4 to the minus a half. So we'd have equals minus 3 over 2 times, so this would be, make it 1 over 4, and then the half we'd write like that. Minus 3 over 2 times 1 root 4 is 2, which would be minus 3 over 4. So this is the gradient of the tangent at x equals 4 to our original line, to our original curve. But we've been asked to find the normal, which is perpendicular, so it will be the negative reciprocal. So the negative reciprocal of minus 3 over 4 would be 4 over 3. So our gradient of the normal line is going to be 4 over 3. Now, to use our equation, which we always use to find an equation of a line, we also need to know what y1 is and x1 is. But if we go back to the original question, we've already been told x, so this is going to be 4. So now we just need to find what y is by substituting 4 into the original equation. So if the original equation was this, we substitute 4 in there. So we've just found out that y equals 2. So we've got 2 and 4 there. So we're going to write that out, running out of space here. I'm going to write that out, y minus 2 equals, and then 4 over 3, which is what we worked out before. 4 over 3 x minus 4. Then we're going to multiply out the 3 so we can get rid of the fraction. So it'd be 3y minus 6 equals 4x. I'm just expanding the brackets here. Minus 16. And then we're going to bring everything onto this side to keep the x positive. So it'll be 4x minus 3y. And to get rid of the minus 6, we're going to add it. It'll be minus 10 equals 0. And there we have our answer.